What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Nordhold on your PC. So before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. The first step is open your Google browser, and we need to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, after that search for the game Nordhold. Now select the game, and if you scroll a little bit down, then you can see this game is €19.99 on Steam. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this website. Now what we need to do is search for the same game, Nordhold, and after that select games on the left side, sort by price lowest first, and once you have done that you need to watch this text. This needs to be marked green so the game can be activated in your country. Now select the game, and after that you will see that this game is just €13.98 instead of €19.99, and this is how you save yourself a bit of money while downloading games legit online. So what you need to do is purchase this game for just €13.98, and then you are able to download this game on your PC. You will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a new Steam account completely legit. Once you have done that, you are able to play this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!